The wassail Robert Herrick give way, ye gates, and win an easy blessing to your bin and basket, by our entering in. May both with monket stand replete. Your larders, too, so hung with meat, that though 1,000 eat, yet, ere 12 moons shall whirl about their silvery spheres, there's none made out but more is sent in than was served out. Next, may your dairies prosper so, as that your pans no ebb may know. But if they do, the more to flow, like to a solemn sober stream, banked all with lilies, and the cream of sweetest cowslips filling them. Then may your plants be pressed with fruit, nor be your hive you have be mute, but sweetly sounding like a lute. Last, may your harrows, shares, and plows, your stacks, your stocks, your sweetest mows, all prosper by your virgin vows. Alas! We bless, but see none here, that brings us either ale or beer. In a dry house all things are near. Let's leave a longer time to wait, where rust and cobwebs bind the gate, and all live here with needy fate, where chimneys do forever weep for a want of warmth, and stomachs keep with noise the servants' eyes from sleep. It is in vain to sing, or stay our free feet here, but we'll away, yet to the Lars this we'll say, the time will come when you'll be sad, and reckon this for fortune bad.